Irix guy here, and this is something I highly recommend. In the past, I would carry a it was an eggshell type ground pad, and those were nice because you didn't have to inflate them. But even rolled up, they were bulky and they wouldn't compress a lot. Now this right here is an air mattress, and it's actually very comfortable. This particular one has ridges on the side to better prevent you from rolling off your pad while you sleep. And it comes in a variety of different lengths. So expand this video's description, you can find links to some air mattresses for backpacking there. But when you're finished, it's easy to pack up and go. So you just open your air release valve, and then you start to roll. And what I do is this, so I don't get it dirty on the ground. So you're just going to want to start at the other end and roll all that air out. I'm doing this in real time so you can see how easy it is. I mean, this is, a lot of people have been afraid of air mattresses because they think that, you know, they'll pop or they're not durable, and I've found that to definitely not be the case. But you want to get all the air out, because if you leave air in it, that's going to consume more room in your pack. I recommend getting down like this. And then once you think you got most of the air out, close your nipple again and then unroll. So now you've got a flat pad here. You can roll this up, and always remember which end your nipple's on, because you're going to probably want to roll again and let some extra air out. I'm just going to fold this. And then I'm going to fold here. And see, my air release valve is down there. And then I'm going to start rolling with the valve still closed. But when I start to see that air gather up, I'm going to go ahead and open it again. So you can see there's still some air in here. And then while you're firmly compressing it, close your valve, lock it, just don't let go. Get it started in your stuff sack. and then compress your stuff sack as much as possible. And there it is. Very compact, very lightweight, very comfortable. And another tip, in the bottom here I've got hand warmers. Put them in with your air mattress, and then that way when you unpack in your tent, you've got your hand warmers there. Those are easy to forget. They don't add a lot of weight or bulk to your air mattress's stuff sack. So again, if you like this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video, and expand this video's description, and you can find a variety of backpacking air mattresses and hand and foot warmers there as well. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for iRick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.